This guide will introduce spam scoring or number reputation in VoIP and demonstrate how to use Free Caller Registry to register your telephone number. This will help prevent and remove the spam rating from your number. Please note that if the entities are unable to verify your number, it will likely not be removed from their blacklist. Robocalls are the main source of spam calls. Robocalls are automated calls that play a recorded message once the user answers their phone. The people making robocalls are not all bad. Think about your bank, clinic, pharmacy, or even emergency services. While there are legitimate robocalls, there are also illegal robocalls. Illegal calls can be fraudsters or calling numbers that did not opt in to receive calls. Typically, fraudsters will spoof their caller ID. When a number is spoofed, the person receiving the call does not own or maintain the number being presented to you. Voxtelesys only allows legitimate calling on our network. If your traffic is suspected or flagged as fraud, we will not allow you to continue to dial over our network. Please refer to the TCPA guidelines when sending calls. Please note that Voxtelesys cannot do anything to remove, change, or influence the spam rating of your phone number. However, we will go over some helpful tips to minimize or remove the chances of having a spam rating on your phone number. To help prevent or remove spam flagging on your business phone number, you need to submit a spam removal request with Free Caller Registry. To begin, go to www.freecallregistry.com. Click on Register here. From here, you can fill in your information. Fill in your company's phone number here. Type in your company's display name here. Click on Add Number if you have multiple numbers you would like to register. You can submit up to 20 phone numbers. If you have additional numbers, you can upload a file using the text or Excel format here. Choose a category for your calls in the dropdown. Type in your company's contact name. Type in your company's phone number. Type in your company's email address. Type the name that appears to customers in the Calling Company Name field. Type in the company's address in the Calling Company Address field. Enter the company's city, state, and zip code. Enter the company's URL here. In the Service Providers field, type in Voxtelesys if your number is with us. In the Calls Per Month field, type in the number of calls your company makes per month. Provide any further information on one or more instances of your phone calls being mislabeled. Click on Send Verification Code, which will be sent to the email address provided above. Enter the verification code here. Click on Submit. It can take a couple of days for the verification process to be completed, but once it is completed, you're a lot less likely to be marked as spam in the future. The third-party vendor may visit your website or call the numbers you're registering to verify they're legitimate.